Hello, welcome back to another video everyone, and today we're off to Rossa via the Isle of Man. So we've got my speed car and we've got a few other RC cars to take with us. So get them loaded up in the car and off we go. As you can see, lovely British weather again, chucking it down with rain. So I have to load the car up in that. Fantastic. What we're taking with us, obviously we've got the speed car for Rossa, but we're going to the Isle of Man to see Kev first. So we're taking this new crawler. So this is the new one. There's going to be a video on this very soon, probably coming out before this video. We have the drones we're taking with us, all of this goodies here, look. So we've got the Mojave 4S we're taking the new Typhoon, Grom, there'll be a video on that one soon as well. All the tools, we've got all the drones, all the filming equipment. Let's go and get absolutely soaked and load the car up. Car loaded up, ready to go. Let's get on the road with the UK traffic. Lovely jubblies. So a bit unfortunate, guys, but I got to the ferry and they'd cancelled it. So no going to the Isle of Man for me. So I've had to come home and do a turnaround for another week. And then now we're off to Rossa. So straight to Rossa, no Isle of Man. Hey ho. So off to Rossa we go. So we're on our way there. Look at that view. You want to drop down there, would you? Here we go then, so we're on the runway now, following Mr. Talbot. It's nice, very nice day. Here we go guys, on location on the actual airfield itself. Got everything ready, set up there, look. So we run from basically that end down there, all the way down, and then you've got speed traps all the way down the end there. And there are all the people down there. Then you got me there, Noah, Kev, Robert in the house. RC man, give him a like and a shout out. Yeah, so we got my car set up over there, but it's really windy out here now. I've got my mic on, but it's extremely windy. So I've got it all set up here. Car on charge at the moment, charging the receiver packs, but she's all ready to go. Let's have a quick look, Mr. RC man, what you got? What you got?
My little nice baby.
You only bought a couple of cars, didn't you?
7. 6S. The rest of them are all inside, up on stack, the Robin the Lion.
Which is the one I'm looking forward to, the 2S one.
Yeah,
one with
the
them
2S,
massive motors. Yeah, somebody. Yes, mate.
There it is, mate.
Look at that, look. And what are they rev to? What kV are they? 14,000 kV motors.
I'm running 42,000 milliamp power.
Yeah, so you're also running, how many batteries are you running? 4, aren't you? Yeah, that's going to be proper mad. I am. That's probably the one I'm looking forward to the whole weekend. That one.
Good. That's exciting, man.
Yeah, man. How cool is that? Look. Ready?
That's probably one of the most solid body. Do you want to get yourself up tower?
Yeah, so we're good to go. And we're going to run it on 85% dual rate this time, so not full pace.
Here it comes. Whoa, that's accelerating. That's lovely. That was accelerating hard.
170.
Oh, it's time to go further.
I think you need some. Oh, they're perfect. Look at that.
Thank you, sir.
So battery's charging another run.
So that was on 80% dual rate.
170. On 80% as well.
Dead on.
170 as well. There you go.
Remember, everyone, you can win one of these limited edition RC 3D printed jet boats. The Game Over limited edition, or one of your choice. Link in the description. Yeah, this is the car I've been waiting for. Rob's dual 2S. $117.
What's going on?
So what's changed this time then?
Nothing. All I've done is up the dual rate to 90%.
Nice one.
11 is 8 dual.
Come on, Andy, mate.
Here we go.
Come on, Andy. Come on, Andy.
Oh yeah.
That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it.
Oh yes.
Yeah, boy.
Oh yeah, that was a good
Yeah,
run.
boy. He
Come
knows.
on.
He knows.
Here we go. Andy having a little run.
Whoa, that's moving. How quick did he get, Andy? What do you reckon you got?
176.
176. Where's the old walkie?
184. Watch this.
More than that.
Oh, it's just. You need to go get it and bring it back.
182.
Told you! Boom!
182.
So here we go.
Speed.
179.
What's going on?
Oh my god.
One way than the other,
What was it in the trap?
181.
Has he got more in the trap? Yeah.
And earlier Rob was down 5 mile an hour.
Is it here? Look, 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 look. Here he goes. Yeah, I'll record this for him.
He's worked really hard for that. He was only 1 mile an hour off last year. Less than a mile an hour off.
Oh, what's he got here?
Oh yes.
Off. How did I take it off again? Off with a 150.
Well done, mate.
Thank you, Stuart.
Congratulations.
Yeah! Woo!
Well done, car.
Bang it on your head. Come on.
Nice.
On with your 170.
Big smile.
So yesterday, guys, the car did 181 mile an hour. That is my PB, 90% dual rates. Today we've geared it up ever so slightly, and we're going to see if we can do the 195.
What are you doing, Andy?
So it's all geared up ever so slightly. All right, we're ready.
How fast are you going to go?
I'm hoping 195.
200, go on.
No. Next run, hopefully.
Look at all the sponsors, look. All the Rossa sponsorship.
Send it. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That's it. Send it. Yep, that's it. Yes, boy. Boom.
178.72. Both traps.
I want to give it. Here we go. Nice, Rob. Good job, mate.
136.91. 137.05.
There he goes, up on his podium.
On your right. You got it. That's it. Go!
Whoa, that's moving.
Get it! Woo! You have to take that out of his video, sorry.
Robbie got all excited.
Andy, that was epic, mate!
196.
Wait there! Could you say that again, please?
196.77. Both traps.
Woo! Dude!
Boom.
Yes, dude, guess what? Guess what? Let's go, because you're going 200 miles an hour next. Let's go. I bet they're not too bad, because that sounded quite smooth.
Oh, the back one. Why do the back ones get it more than the fronts?
Downforce. Downforce.
There's more downforce on the front though, isn't there?
No, the backs go normally when you just start to brake, because all the pressure goes forward and the rear wheels are still spinning.
Oh, a bit of man love going on there.
There's nice.
Andy was sulking earlier, a bit like me, but he's calmed down now. It was GPS said. GPS is normally a bit higher.
197.
Boom!
Thank you very much, Stuart.
Well done, Andy. Great stuff. Great stuff.
Nearly there.
Nearly 200 mile an hour. Is that cup coming later today?
Maybe.
Yeah.
Hopefully, yeah.
Fingers crossed, mate.
By the way, a massive shout out to Stuart. He's one of the organisers here at Rossa. Any of you guys want to take part, what have they got to do?
Oh, you've got to go online. God, Facebook's probably the place to be for Rossa. Join the group. Like, subscribe.
We'll put a link to all that lot down below. Also, a massive shout out to James over there. He's been on the old microphone all day.
End of another day for me anyway. So 197 mile an hour. Got the 300 kilometre cap as well. Absolutely awesome. So tomorrow I'm going to stick another set of tyres on and try and get the 200 mile an hour on the last day. So fingers crossed and see you then.
Boom.
A bit of an issue with the last run we had inside there. So you can see in there. Or inside, just inside there. Basically that had come loose, lost all the shims. That basically moved forward and hit this. Yeah, so it basically destroyed the tyre. So
No, it didn't, don't lie.
what's that, Kev?
Don't lie.
Yeah, so another set of tyres on there. We're going to give it one more run. Hopefully get the 200. Fingers crossed.
All hands on deck with Andrew. What are you doing, Andy?
Well, I'm going to try 200 for 200 again.
Again.
This time the car is sorted, so...
What have you changed?
Well, all these shims have fallen out of here, so this wheel had basically gone forward and touched the chassis, destroyed the tyre. So.
Ah. I'll get this thing out, otherwise you won't get it. Right. How many men does it take to prepare a toy?
It's all a toy.
Motorsport Nick in the house. What's going on, dude? The reason they're rushing is they've warmed up the batteries. I don't want the batteries to cool down. Warm batteries run a lot faster. All serious business going on here. Get them clips in there, boy. Tape's all set up ready. All right, good. Tape there, stop the wind getting in. Footage. That was moving. Oh no! Still holding though, what?
Yeah, you're still rolling, so we may be able to pull that back.
Tumble wumble for Andy.
With the radio, boys.
What's the radio saying?
Oh no, it's moving, it's off, look! It's coming!
Think so, yeah. 196.77 on both tracks.
196.
Good run, dude, good run.
He crashed it and it's still going. Come in. That's the first time I've seen a crash like that and you just drive it back. How's she looking? How did he survive that?
Wow. He does have tyres.
It literally hasn't done anything.
He survived that massively.
What? How? Dude, how did you wing that? Well, I think you've just done something suspension. Apart from that, she's gold. How's it not broken after all that?
That's insane how that... Remember what had happened back in the day with that? We would have been in a million bets.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
How's it not dead? Spinners, dude, spinners.
Yeah, watch it.
It's alright, it feels alright, that's lovely. I've cheated myself for that.
100. Come on, 200 on the old GPS.
I can it been all the way down.
What we got? 197.
Well done, Mark. Really
Oh well,
What are you thinking?
that's it done.
You're happy though, aren't you?
Yeah,
Next year.
maybe.
That's an amazing speed.
What damage has he done? What can do with that?
Surprisingly little.
Collapsing it. Why is it so low? You just push the thread
push
in.
the threads together.
Yeah.
That's fine.
So no damage. You jammy git.
That's some fat packs there.
So everyone, unfortunately we didn't get the 200. The quickest we went today was 198 mile an hour. And the last one, as you can see with the video, we had a bit of an incident. It went right, I couldn't get it back. We hit the grass. Luckily, we didn't get any damage whatsoever. So looking over the car, the only thing that happened, this link here, a trunk, basically the thread had gone in here. A few scratches. The tyres are blown. Overall, nothing wrong with the car whatsoever.
Lucky git.
Right, no luck about it.
You've got away with
Skill,
that
that was, skill.
Question the car, that's been lucky
I don't know. Anyway, hopefully we'll be back next year with the same car, hopefully, and we'll try again. Right, I just want to give a massive shout out to Rob RC, man. He's been a massive help to me over the weekend. Thanks very much, buddy. It's been fantastic.
You've done that yourself, though. You just need egging.
Well, it's not all of it.
Well done, mate.
It's been very good. Thank you very much.
Yes, mate.
So we're at home again, everyone. What an absolute awesome event it was at Rossa. Fantastic people there. Atmosphere was brilliant. Weather was awesome as well. A few people got sunburn. Absolutely fantastic. Fantastic. If you want to go, there is a website, there is a Facebook page. Look for it, Rossa. I'll put a link in the description to their page. As for the car, phenomenal. I'm so happy with what I did. 198 mile an hour. Absolutely fantastic. There you got it on the wheels. I'm going to keep these on the mantelpiece. I didn't show you that one, but it was GPSed at 198, so that's my fastest run ever with this car, or with any speed car, and 197 on the previous ones as you see in the video. Car absolutely faultless. I think what happened is a crash at the end, the link broke in there, and because it seemed to veer off right by itself. So I think that's what happened. So let's start saying massive shout out to RC man Robert, helped me out all for the weekend. Absolutely fantastic. Brilliant weekend, and all the other people that helped, Kev, everybody, Nick from Model Sport, absolutely brilliant. So I'm going to get the 200 mile an hour, so hopefully we'll be going in September, and we'll see if we can get the 200 in. We're going to gear it up in September, we're going to go to the last Rossa event of the season, and see how we get on. Hopefully get 200 mile an hour on one of my wheels. So like I say, big shout out to Onyx, they're powering this build. So 6600 packs, there'll be a link in the description for them. Absolutely epic packs they are for speed running. And Dave from Scorch, without his bits, it wouldn't be possible. So absolutely brilliant. There are links to the previous video, so I'll put a link to that as well, to all the parts I used for this build. But if you enjoyed it, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.